He just wants snuggles and he wants everyone to love him. This is Zorro. People that we got him from had been using wire bits, so he had cuts down the side of his mouth, and he was underweight, very matted coat. We've had to do quite a lot of work with him, trusting people. There's obviously quite a lot of things that have happened to him that have made him very wary. So Charlie is the old lady. She's about 19 years old, and she actually does quite a lot of our special needs riding now. He's the sweetest boy. Sometimes you forget quite how far they've come. And I was looking at photos of him when he first arrived. He literally did not have any hair on his face.